You can be the most attractive person in the world, but if you smell bad, be it your body odor or breath, you automatically go from a 10 to a 0. The worst part is that most people are often too polite to point out if you smell off, so most guys can go years and years without ever realizing how bad they really smell. In this video, we're going to talk about steps you can take to always smell fresh. Maintaining proper hygiene is a reflection of your self-worth, and having a pleasant scent makes you and everyone around you feel respected and proud. But if the first thing that came to your mind when you saw the title of this video was, "I always smell good because I take daily showers and use a decent amount of deodorant," then you're in for a rude awakening. Contrary to what you may believe, there are a lot of other factors that influence the way you smell, from head to toe to your environment. Let's start. Your surroundings can greatly influence your personal scent, even if you take frequent showers and wear a lot of deodorant. If your home has a particular scent, chances are you smell like that too. For example, if you cook certain foods or smoke cigarettes, the odor will eventually cling to your clothing and follow you everywhere. Plus, throughout the day, bacteria and grime gather on both your body and your clothes. So it's important to address the problem at its root. Another major issue that most people overlook is using unclean bed linens. The same principle applies here too. You won't smell good because your bed's weird odor will stick to whatever you wear. Choosing the right laundry soap can have a significant impact on how you smell throughout the day. Opting for an unscented detergent or one that leaves a clean linen scent is key. Some laundry detergents may have a strong, pleasant odor, but they might clash with your personal scents. The goal is to find a detergent that not only leaves your clothes smelling fresh, but also effectively eliminates any unpleasant stenches. Plus, wearing fresh clothing daily is a simple yet effective way to eliminate any bad odors, maintaining a cleaner and fresher you. The main takeaway here is to tidy up and eliminate any odors from your living area. Ensure that your washing machine is kept clean and in good working order, and that your bed linens are spotless. Let's zoom in on you now. Here's the lowdown. Your lips, face and hair are scent hotspots. They're like the early risers in the odor department, so giving them some TLC is top-notch. Think of it like directing a mini cleanup crew to the spots that get the most action, the sweaty and oily zones. It's all about focusing your freshness efforts where it matters most. Easy, right? Keep it clean, keep it fresh. Now, when it comes to your mouth, the spotlight is on flossing. It's not just about having a pearly white smile, it's about keeping your breath fresh. The key here is to physically remove any leftover food particles before they have a chance to cause trouble. Incorporate regular flossing into your routine, complemented by brushing your teeth, using an alcohol-free mouthwash, and taking a moment to clean your tongue with a tongue scraper. These simple steps can make a significant difference. Remember, maintaining oral hygiene isn't just about vanity, it's about overall health. And if there's one place on your body that needs to remain healthy, it's your scalp, more specifically your hair, a spot that often goes unnoticed but can start to get a bit funky rather quickly. While many folks may not give it much thought, especially if they're in the daily shampoo club, it's worth considering the balance. Now, I'm not all for shampooing every single day because it can rid your hair of its natural oils that give it that healthy, shiny glow. Yet here's the catch. Going too many days without a wash can lead to some less than pleasant odors. So, what's the trick? Co-washing. If you're unfamiliar with the term, co-washing is the practice of using only conditioner to cleanse your hair. If you've got finer, thinner hair, try out a lightweight conditioner for co-washing. On the flip side, if your hair is on the thicker side, opt for a richer conditioner. When it comes to traditional shampooing, shoot for every 2 to 3 days for finer hair and once a week for thicker locks. What works on thin, dry, curly hair won't always work for someone with oily, straight hair. And you need to make sure that your shampoo and conditioner cater to your specific needs. Hunt for products that work with your hair type and goals, and most importantly, are organic. Using shampoos and conditioners with natural ingredients has a major perk. They steer clear of potentially harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Using these chemicals too much can mess with your skin, causing irritation or even throwing your hormones out of whack. Hinoki, Patrick's SH1, Bulldog Original, and K18 are all high-quality products that help you smell and feel fresh. Now, let's shift our focus to your body, the real MVP. When it comes to scrubbing down, it's crucial to hit every little corner and crevice. Now I get it. There are some spots that some folks tend to overlook for reasons unknown. So, when it's body wash time, you've got a couple of routes to choose from. Option 1, a dermatologist-recommended scent-free body wash. Simple, effective, no drama. Option 2, go big with a top-notch, incredibly aromatic body wash, like the ones from Molton Brown. This one's for the folks who want to smell amazing without the need for extra cologne. My personal favorites have to be Art of Sport, Duke Cannon, Harry's, and Everyman Jack. All of these are easily available and don't break the bank. Just a heads up, steer clear of those cheap, overly fragrant drugstore body washes because they do more harm than them good. It's the 21st century, and the time has come to ditch old purchasing habits. But while I'm on the topic of outdated products, let's talk about a game changer, the bidet. Seriously, in this day and age, every guy should have one. Why? Well, for starters, it's like a mini-life upgrade. And the best part? They're not breaking the bank, and you don't need a PhD in plumbing to install one. Trust me, once you experience the bidet life, you won't know how you ever lived without it. It's the simple things, my friends. All right, let's break down the art of smelling good into a fragrant symphony. Deodorant is the unsung hero, and I'm team gel-based for a clean, streak-free vibe. No one wants those white marks cramping their style. Now, onto colognes. It's like crafting your signature scent. Picture it as choosing the right outfit for the occasion. You wouldn't sport a tux at the gym, right? So, subtle application is the game changer. A dash, not a splash, of top-notch cologne. I'm talking about Tom Ford, Beardo, Maison Margiela, and Creed. Quality scents that speak volumes. Now, for the nitty-gritty technique. Precision is your secret weapon. Pulse points are your canvas neck, armpits, wrists, and behind the ears. Hit these sweet spots, and you're golden. It's not just about masking odors, it's about becoming a fragrant maestro. For a fragrance that lingers, consider a pre-game with lotion or body butter. Opt for unscented to dodge any scent clashes. And if you're rocking an oil-based cologne, blend it with body butter for that seamless absorption. My favorite tip has to be spritzing your sheets with cologne before bedtime. While it may seem a bit excessive, this not only helps eliminate any potential odors building up on your skin overnight, especially if you tend to sweat during sleep, but it also leaves a pleasant fragrance to your bedding. While this is particularly beneficial for those who shower at night, it may be less impactful for morning shower enthusiasts. But if cologne isn't for you, then you can't compromise on a good deodorant. Similar to cologne, deodorant can be a lifesaver for those who perspire at night or skip morning showers. Just apply a bit of deodorant before bed to wake up to a much more pleasant morning. This proactive step, combined with a morning application, ensures that you start your day with minimal residual armpit odor. However, it's suggested to let your armpits breathe occasionally at night if you're not planning to go out the next day. Personal hygiene begins from the moment you wake up to the time you call it a night. So if you've ever wondered how the guy next to you smells so darn good, chances are they're keeping up with their grooming, using quality products, and above all, investing time in themselves. There you have it, smelling good decoded. If you cover these bases, you will be a man who always smells good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.